Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Moore M. Ghosh, and I'm an astrology, numerology, and Vastu expert. The video I bought for you today is about 19 precautions for your kitchen in order to avoid poverty, disputes, and sickness. Before we go on to the video, let me share with you a brief about the channel, The Ancients. I started this channel in February 2021, and in a short span of 3 months, we already crossed 205 subscribers. Our mission is to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu, so that with the help of these tips, you can welcome into your life good health, wealth, prosperity, peace of mind, harmonious relationships, and most importantly, ensure that you live a life filled with joy and happiness. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel to kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you receive an update on every video that I release for you, and also share these videos with your friends and family and encourage them to subscribe to the channel so that they too can derive the benefits of the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu which I have bought for you. Coming back to the kitchen. Kitchen is a very critical zone of our home or office. All of us require food for survival. Food gives us energy. It influences the way we react to stimuli. Our food determines our health, determines the way which we are able to progress in life. Therefore, the kitchen is a very critical area whose Vastu has to be well taken care of. If you take care of the Vastu of the kitchen, be rest assured that you will have good health, wealth, success, peace of mind, harmonious relationships with your friends and family. If the Vastu of the kitchen goes wrong, you are heading for the disaster. Disputes, sickness, poverty, negative energies are the end result of a bad Vastu in the kitchen. So be very particular and careful about the Vastu tips which I am sharing with you today. I am giving you 18 Vastu tips and precautions for the kitchen. First of all, there are few things that must never be allowed to run out in our kitchen. This must never get finished in our kitchen. These things are oil. Never allow oil to get over. Rye or mustard seeds, never allow it to get finished at your home. Atta, flour as we call it, ensure that it's never out. Otherwise you will face humiliation in the office and at your home. Rice. Rice is representative of planet Venus, of luxuries, love. Ensure that rice never runs out at your home, otherwise you'll face the ill effects of planet Venus. Planet Venus is represented by rice. Milk. When I have gone to a few homes, I have seen the lady of the house order for milk from outside to make tea and coffee for us. This is very embarrassing for the guests. Number two, when the guests are embarrassed, feel unhappy, how can Mahalakshmi bless you? Even Mahalakshmi gets irritated. Always ensure that you have an extra carton of milk, extra packet of milk in your fridge always. Today there are multiple options available here. Condensed milk is a wonderful option. Keep a condensed milk equivalent to about 10 packets, 10 liters of milk, one condensed milk can. You will never run out of milk, and your guests will not be embarrassed when you are here running here and there for a packet of milk to make tea, coffee for them. Haldi, turmeric. If haldi or turmeric gets over in your house, good news will stop coming to your house. Haldi turmeric is a very powerful ingredient, and you must never allow it to run out in your home. Another powerful ingredient is salt. Ensure that you never run out of salt either. In olden days, salt was used as currency, so it is a representative of wealth also, Mahalakshmi also. Never give it to your neighbors. Never allow it to spill on the floor. If it spills on the floor, clean it up, mop it up immediately. And if salt run outs at your home, you will have lot of negative energies, bad energies trying to invade into your home. You will have a lot of difficulties. Kala Jadu, Buri Nazar, Nazar Dosh. All of these take place where salt has run out. So be extremely careful. The kitchen being such a sacred place, influencing our health, wealth, prosperity, never go into the kitchen without having a bath. If you are forced to go to the kitchen without having a bath, at least ensure that once you get up in the morning, wash your face, hands, legs with water. Just wipe yourself a little bit. Basic cleanliness, brush your teeth. If you are a man, also shave. And then only visit the kitchen. If you visit the kitchen without getting clean, having a bath, and insult Goddess Annapurna which resides there, trust me, you are heading for a difficult period in your life. No chappals should be worn in the kitchen. If you have a separate chappals for your home, that's a different thing. But these should be cloth chappals. It should not be that outside chappals which you use for walking outside, you are using the same chappals and shoes for walking in your kitchen. You will be insulting Mahalakshmi. Avoid it at all costs. What about dirty clothes, old storage stuff, broken items? They should never be stored in the kitchen. They generate negative energies. Keep your kitchen area positive. It is a very critical area as per Vastu in your home and office. Ensure that you don't keep damaged stuff here. One another very particular thing I have noticed in multiple homes is the wives going to sleep at night after keeping atta or flour ready to make rotis next day early morning, and they cover it and keep it in the kitchen. Next day morning they get up and they go to the kitchen and roll the rotis and roll the atta and make rotis, puris for their children. There is nothing more harmful for your home, for your children, for your family's health, for your prosperity than this overnight kept atta. Atta, if kept overnight in your kitchen or even in your fridge, welcomes negative energies, nazar dosh, bhoot pret, buri atmas, nightmares, sickness, health problems. All these are a result of this kacha atta kept in your fridge or kitchen. Avoid it like a plague. Always when you want to have puri, roti, parathas, take the flour, make it fresh, give fresh rotis, parathas, puris. Never use overnight kept over atta, and never keep it in the fridge also. Anywhere where you keep it, it is daridra. Means very harmful. Bring you lot of bad energies, problems, hurdles, sickness, bhoot pret. All these are able to come and reside in your home because you have done this major mistake. Never do it again. Medicines. Lot of people have seen kitchen counter, medicines are kept there. Medicines are not meant to be kept in the kitchen. They are a negative item, helping your body recover and become normal. When negative item like medicines are kept in the kitchen, they can only further damage your health. Never keep medicines in the kitchen. Yes, there may be some items like diabetes injections, drugs which need to be kept in the fridge, which is there in your kitchen. That is acceptable. Keep it inside the fridge, hidden away from normal view. It's not that you open the fridge, first thing you see is medicines. No. When you open your fridge, the first thing you should see is food, ice creams, juices, badams, pistas, all these healthy foods, so that the health of your family is elevated. You feel healthy, wealthy, and wise. If you open the fridge first and you see diabetes injections, medicines, injection shots, insulins, and all medicines which require cold storage, trust me, your health is not going to be improving. You are on a glide slope to disaster. Never keep these things in plain sight. Broken, unwanted things, unutilized items, never store them in the kitchen. Keep them in your storeroom. The kitchen is a place to keep positive things. Water leakage in your kitchen, another major disaster. If any tap or there's a water leakage in your kitchen, get it rectified immediately. Otherwise it will drain off all the wealth in your home. Close all leakages in your kitchen immediately to ensure your prosperity. Mirror. I have seen some people even keep a mirror in their kitchens or use it decoratively on top of their storages. Why? Looks nice, looks beautiful. Mirror work. It's not nice, it's not beautiful. It brings misfortunes, hurdles, problems into your life. Who wants misfortunes, hurdles, problems in your life? Get rid of all mirrors in your kitchen immediately. I have been to quite a few homes, and there I have seen after having food, they go and wash their hands in the kitchen sink and then put water in the mouth and spit inside the kitchen sink. Sometimes dishes are also inside there, and on top of that only they are washing their hands and spitting also on top of the dishes. Wonderful people. Ek to yaar, never go and wash your hands in the kitchen. You are insulting Mahalakshmi and Annapurna who reside there by washing your hands and spitting in the kitchen sink. And if you are doing it on top of already unwashed utensils which are kept in the sink, you are welcoming Alakshmi, poverty, hurdles, negative energies, nazar doshas, negativity, disputes into your home. You have a separate wash area, or you have toilets, or you have washrooms where you can wash your hands. The kitchen is not a place where you should be washing your hands or spitting in. If you spit in the kitchen, and especially if you spit in the kitchen on top of unwashed utensils or wash your hands on top of unwashed utensils, gradually you'll see all your wealth going off, hurdles coming into your life, unemployment happening to you, business going for a toss. You decide what you want in your life. But if you are smart, never do it again. If you have made a mistake so far, forget about it. Tomorrow is another day, but never repeat it wantedly. Tawa, kadai. They are very important things in our kitchen. We cook all our food inside the tawa and kadai. We should ensure that when outsiders come in to our home, they are not able to directly see the tawa and kadai which we have kept in our kitchen. They should have a separate storage. And dirty tawa and kadai to never keep overnight. They are a major blessing, the tawa and kadai on our home. All our food is cooked on that. Mahalakshmi and Annapurna reside there and take care of the tawa, are very fond of tawa and kadai. Always keep your tawa and kadai clean and keep it hidden from prying outsiders' eyes. If the tawa and kadai are kept dirty and outsiders are able to see your tawa and kadai easily from outside or from your drawing room, You will be welcoming negative energies, hunger and poverty into your home. Nobody wants them here. Keep them hidden, keep them clean. Last but not the least, my tip, one major tip for you on the kitchen. Never have any black tiles or black colors in your kitchen. Black, grey, dark blue, these are all colors which are harmful. Move them out of your kitchen. If you have to spend extra money, so be it, but never should your kitchen have these colors. Colors recommended for your kitchen are lemon, yellow, orange, virgin white, off-white, bland white. These colors are positive colors. Pinks, mauve, all these beautiful colors will work wonders on your kitchen. Greens, blacks are a disaster. Move them out of your kitchen on priority. Friends, today I have shared with you 19 tips and precautions to be kept in your kitchen to ensure that poverty, negative energies, nazar doshas, jadoo tona and sickness stay away from your home. If you follow these 19 precautions faithfully, you will welcome good health, wealth, success, prosperity, career growth, peace of mind and harmonious relationships into your home. Once again, I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, the ancients, to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get an update on every new video which I release for you. I also request all of you to also share these videos with your friends and family, and also tell them to subscribe and press the bell icon so that they too receive every video which I release for you on the channel, The Ancients. Our mission is to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu so that you live a beautiful, successful life filled with good health, wealth, joy, happiness. Till we meet again with another amazing video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.